Good afternoon, I'm Tim Sever and welcome to 2-Minute Tips in Python. What is ternary operator assignment? Well, let's consider the following classical if statement. We have if p is true, assign y to x, otherwise we assign z to x. In a way, this statement is so uncomplicated that it seems to be overkill to spread it across 4 lines of code in Python. And really, what is the point of this construct? To make a conditional variable assignment. In one case, we want to assign y to x, and the other, we want to assign z to x. So is there a better way? Yes, in Python 2.5, we introduced a new expression format that allows us to say the exact same thing in the following way. So instead, we may write x equal y if p else z. This assignment has the same impact as the classical 4 lines of code, yet is vastly simpler to program, to code up, and once understood, much easier to read. In reality, in the conditional expression, Python evaluates y only if p is true, and evaluates z only if p is false. Really, we should say evaluates and returns. In this context, it has a short circuit effect, namely, it evaluates one of y or z, but not both. Finally, as a bonus for our advanced viewers, our conditional expression is equivalent to the following: expression and assignment. But you have to be careful. In this pure Boolean expression and subsequent assignment, we have to be able to assume that y is true. This will be the subject of a bonus video in this series. Thank you for watching 2-Minute Tips in Python. I'm Tim Sever. I'll see you next time.